Now I will show you what is unescaped data, how to display the unescaped data. I am going to create a view into the views folder, that is home.blade.php, and here I am going to call a variable, that is for example name, and this variable data I will pass from here, that is a name variable, and here I give my name here like this, and here I am going to call the view that I have created now, home, and pass the data using the compact into the view file, that is name. So using the name variable I pass the data here. Now if I go to my browser and refresh it, you see that this is my name, it is showing without any problem. But what is the equivalent of this? This is the equivalent of this PHP code, that is echo HTML special chars, and here is name. So if you write like this or this, both will do the same thing. This will automatically escape the information or escape the data like this, HTML special chars, in order to protect the XSS attack. But if you want that, I want to show the data in this format, I do not want to escape the data like this. So how you will do that? Using the blade syntax. In order to do that using the blade syntax, just put one curly brace, not double, and then here use this symbol, and in the end also use this symbol, and here put the variable name. So this is actually the equivalent of this without escaping the data. But remember that if you want to use the data in this way, your application might be vulnerable, so become careful about this.